Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are making plantain frittata or plantain pizza. This plantain and egg tasted so delicious. So come, let's go and make it together. Here I have plantain. This recipe calls for ripe plantain. I have eggs. I have bell peppers. I have seasoning. What's here is curry, thyme, salt and cube. I have scotch bonnet. I have carrots. I have onions, and I have cooking oil. I've already prepped them together. So in a pan, we're going to fry the plantain first. So when the plantains are well fried, we scoop them and set them aside. So we are going to stir fry the vegetables. We're going in first with the onions. Then add the bell peppers. Add the pepper. Add the carrots. Then season them. You have to stir fry this on a very high heat for a few seconds. So after I remove them, then that leads us to the next step. We are using 5 eggs as we saw earlier. So we are going to pour in the mixed veggies that we have fried into the egg. So after that, to mix them all to combine. Then in our pan, we just drizzle a tablespoon of oil just to grease the pan. You don't need too much oil. A tablespoon is okay. Then when the pan is well greased, we'll pour in the egg mixture. Then layer the already fried plantain on top of the egg. So by this time, your heat must be on a very low. You use a very low heat so that it will still cook. So after like 10 minutes, the egg is set and it's cooked so well. And the food is ready. Please, if you like this recipe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not. And I want to say a very big thank you for everyone that always come back to watch my video. I love you. Thank you so much. This looks so good and it tasted so good too. I will see you in my next video. Bye.